Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke. Today I want to teach you how to chuck the ukulele. Now, chucking is simply a strumming technique that we use to provide a percussive element in our playing. If you're not familiar with the term, you still may have heard it played before, and it should sound something like this. So let's get started and let's learn how to chuck. Now, usually when you strum, you're just using the tip of your fingers to go up and down on the strings. But when we chuck, we're incorporating a little bit more of our hands, and we're providing the chuck on the down strum. We're going to basically strum like normal, but then really quickly put our palm against the strings to provide that percussive sound. It should sound something just like this. Let's try a few strumming patterns now. The first strumming pattern that I want us to use to apply this technique is just going to be down, chuck, up, chuck. Down, chuck, up, chuck. Let's try that strumming pattern on the F major chord. Down, chuck, up, chuck. Down, chuck, up, chuck. Down, chuck, up, chuck. Down, chuck, up, chuck. You might also try this strumming pattern, which is down, chuck, down, chuck, up. Let's also work with that strumming pattern on the F major chord. Down, up, chuck, up, down, 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 chuck, up. Here's one more strumming pattern that you might use to apply the chucking technique. It's just going to be down, chuck, down, chuck, down, chuck, down, chuck. And again, let's play that on the F major chord. Down, chuck, down, chuck, down, chuck, down, chuck. If you guys have any more questions for me on how to apply this chucking technique, then feel free to leave me a question in the comment section below. And that's how you chuck a ukulele. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I'm always releasing song tutorials, covers, and technique videos to help you get better in playing the ukulele. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.